Hello, hello everyone. Happy Friday. Welcome back to Doodledollarz. This is Courtney. Today we're going to get started with a few freebies and then we're going to jump into our festive freebie Friday. I'm sorry if you can hear my washer in the background. I am trying to get caught up on laundry after this harrowing week. So here we have a few minis by Amy by Nature. And these are some cute shark themed Valentine's minis. So we have I Think You're Jawsome, Nothing Compares to You, and You're Fantastic. So cute. Thank you, Amy, for those cute freebies. Then we have this. This is technically not a mini, but I thought I would include it. This is a Happy Valentine's Day by Dawn's Sunrise Budgeting. And it looks like you can add your own scratch-off stickers here if you want to, and it saves $30. So I'll probably add this to my debt binder, or maybe I'll do it as a mini. I have so many in my debt binder, it's hard to get through them all. Next we have Angela Marie 888. Her group play for February is this one, but she also included a few little minis or tinies here and an IOU. So I thought this was super cute, and I'll be adding this to my debt binder as well, and I'll probably use these minis here on Festive Friday. Okay, next, if you missed it, here's the Hoppy Easter. I fixed the alignment on these because I noticed the background was kind of hanging off here on the edge. So I updated that in my Ko-fi, so that's there. There is a cactus one that I just made for hitting 600 subscribers, and another like groovy Easter themed one that I made and posted today for hitting 700 subscribers. So thank you all so much for subscribing, and go grab those freebies if you haven't yet. Okay, and that's all the freebies for today, guys. I haven't been doing as much research because oh man, guys, it has just, I'm excited for Friday, for the weekend, to get caught up on some stuff after being so sick. I went to the urgent care today, actually, because, well, I was feeling terrible still, and my chest, like, just having a hard time breathing, but I don't have pneumonia or anything, so that's good. But they gave me a shot. So we have $20 here. They gave me a steroid shot, and I'm picking up steroids tomorrow just to help with this cough that's been so bad. But I told Arya that they gave me a shot in my butt, and she thought that was so funny. So anyways, here we are. We are just trying to get through this week. I also started school back up last week, and I feel like I'm just so behind because I haven't, well, I got my one assignment done the other day, stayed up till like 1:30 a.m. doing that, and I have another assignment due tonight, and I had a meeting tonight, and I have just so much going on, guys. I know I feel like I'm complaining. I'm just overwhelmed. So I'm looking forward to the weekend so that I can get caught up on all that. And it's the end of the month, so I have a few videos that I'm gonna film, like reallocating stuff and, you know, doing end of the month shenanigans. So we're gonna get it all done. But I hope y'all are having a great day. I hope y'all have had a great week. I hope y'all have been healthy and happy mentally and physically and emotionally. I got some ginger ale today. I feel like Schweppes is the superior ginger ale. What do you guys think? What's your preferred brand? But it's spicy. It's got like a little kick to it. when we lived in France, there was this Schweppes drink called Schweppes Agrumes. And if any of y'all are in Europe and you know this drink, tell me in the comments. But it was the best drink ever. It was like grapefruit flavored soda. Oh, so delicious. But cannot find it here. Okay, so $1 we have going into this Love You Very Much savings challenge. And this is going to be for Aria's Valentine's Day basket. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in here. All right, do you guys have a favorite soda? I normally do Coke Zero, not Diet Coke. I don't know why, but I very much so prefer Coke Zero. But when I'm sick, ginger ale or Sprite just feels really nice for some reason. Okay, this one by Save It Mel is also going for Aria's Valentine's. I really just love this quote that she put here, "You're the heart I've been searching for." And this got 1, 2, 3. So we're going to add 3 check marks here. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! Do you guys have any plans for this upcoming weekend? What are y'all going to be doing? Okay, this next one is by Canadian Finance Journey. So this will be going towards Aria's Easter basket. And this only got $1 today, but that's okay. Easter is still quite a ways away, so, you know, not stressing too much about it. So this currently has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. All right. Okay, next we have this February Valentine's roll and save, but I'm just doing 2 per box here. This is by Angela Marie, 888. And this got a lot today, actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, I have to use the same color. It bothers me that these are different, but okay, 1, 2, what did I say, 5? Yeah, so we needed 4 to finish this one. All right, yay. So we finished one challenge today, guys. And this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome, that's a great start for Aria's little Valentine's basket. All right, so we're gonna add that to our finished challenges bag. I've had a couple people ask me where I got this bag, so I will leave the link for this in the description below. I think I mentioned before, but I just made this on Redbubble and ordered it because I loved the pattern so much. I've thought about getting it in like a phone case and like a clock, like a wall clock, just because I think it's so pretty. But I just got the bag, and anyways, I've had a couple people ask where I got it, so I figured I would just give you guys the link in case you want to buy it. That one is the medium size, and there are three different sizes that you can get. Okay, this next one by Blessed Budgets by Abigail is for Christmas. So I'm so excited to be saving for Christmas this early in the year. I've never done this before in my life. And so it's very exciting. So this one got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 4 more to finish this challenge. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yay. That's awesome. Okay. Then we have this St. Patrick's Day by Susan at Windmill Ridge Budgets. And we are adding, oh, this one got a lot too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, there's my yellow marker right there. So each coin is $1. 1, 2, 3. One time I was eating at an Irish restaurant with some friends and my sister and brother, and I ordered potato skins, and everyone else ordered something that had potatoes in it, right? And like potato soup, mashed potatoes, stuff like that. And the waitress came over and she was like, "We don't have any potato skins." And I was like, "Oh, okay, that's weird. Like, what happened to the skins of the potatoes of all these other potatoes that were made?" Which I know is not how it works in a restaurant, but I just thought it was ironic. But what's y'all's favorite, like, potato dish? I love me some potatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mashed potatoes, baked potatoes. I've been super into baked sweet potatoes. Sometimes that's all I'll have for dinner, just a baked sweet potato with butter and salt. So good. Oh, anyways, love potatoes. They're so good. Okay, we have one left here. So let's get another challenge. I'm going to decide and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, we are going to use this one by Kayla at Printable by Woods. And these are her cute little penguin valentines. So we're going to just make each envelope $1. And there we go. That is done. So we got that one started. Yay. Okay, guys, and that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me. I so appreciate you being here, and I hope y'all have a great weekend. I hope you guys stay healthy and that you enjoy the last day of January. Woohoo! It is over. It is finished. And February, here we come. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.